Suppose we have two sets, being A and B, and these are finite disjoint sets. So therefore, by the addition rule, we have the number of elements in set A union B is equal to the number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B. So in this case, given that these sets are finite and disjoint, then the intersection of A and B is the empty set. Now if in set A and B are finite sets, where there's an intersection between A and B, so the two sets have common elements between them, then in this case, the number of elements in A union B is equal to the number of elements in set A plus the number of elements in set B minus the number of elements in the intersection of A and B. And this here is the inclusion-exclusion principle.